Welcome back to this combat system series. We are using the Unreal Engine 5.1 and we already created the basic movement of our character. If you had any problem following the last tutorial, you can just download the files of this version that is available for download and then follow from there. So as you can see here, I have the basic movement, but I still need the weapon to be able to attack. I'm going to start creating the basic combat system for now by starting with the weapon attachment to the body. So let's go to our character. So just so you can understand what I'm going to do. I'm going to basically create a static mesh, and I'm going to use the static mesh that we just imported in the last tutorial. And then I'm going to attach this mesh to the body when a certain animation is played, and he's going to enter combat mode. So I'm going to start by creating a static mesh. Let's add, and then type static mesh. This one, I'm going to type staff, just like this. And then I'm going to place this static mesh on our mesh, just like so. I'm going to grab this staff that we imported, this one right here, just like this. And then I'm going to our, let's go to our mesh here, and then I'm going to search for the hand. And this weapon here, Teu Kong Paragon, you grab the weapon with the right hand, so I'm going to use this hand right here. And then I'm going to create a new socket here that's going to be add socket. And then I'm going to change this name into staff. Just like this. I am going to also create another socket on the root. And this one I'm going to name it not equipped staff, just like this. I'm going to copy this name. No, there's actually no need for this, so just make this these two sockets like so. Let's go back to our character. I'm going to place this on the not equipped staff socket. So I'm going to also change this location. For now, I'm going to only place the staff right next to the body of our character. So that's not the best way, but it's going to be the way for now. Something like this. So now I have the staff next to our character, like so. Then I'm going to start, let's see. I think I can start by searching for the animation to grab the staff. And I actually already have done some research in this asset to look for the best animation, and I think the level start animation is the best one for this. He grabs the staff, and I think it's great, just like this. Yeah, I think it worked fine. So let's see. Let's go back to our mesh. I'm going to search for the staff socket that we just created. This one. I'm going to place a static mesh here, preview asset, just that I can see where the socket is going to be placed when I attach this to the socket. So as you can see here, it's not in the right place. Let's move it a little bit, something like this, the middle. So I'm going to just place this in the hands, like so. Let's do it slowly. Something like, let's see, a little bit more. And then, yes. I think it worked fine for now. You can, if you want to spend more time here, it would be great. But for me, it is going to work fine. So let's test it. Level start. I think it would be best if I change the rotation a bit. So let's see. Yeah, let's see. Let's place it like this. Yeah, let's see again. Let's see now. Oh, it's not great, but it's going to work like this for now. So let's save it. Now I am going back to this animation, and I think I'm going to actually create a folder for our animations. It's going to be easier to find the animations that we are using. So let's create a new folder and then name it animations. I'm going back to Paragon Soul Kong, character, heroes, Wukong, animations. I'm going to search for level start. And I'm going to place this animation on the folder animations. Let's go back here and then let's go to our character. Here I'm going to start by creating a new custom event. And I'm going to name it grab step, just like this. And then I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to first play animation from this. So let's play montage. Here there are two options to how to play montage. You can use just notes, or you can use this node. But basically this node is you have a little bit more options on how to keep going with the logic, continue with the logic once it gets to this node. So I'm going to be using this one because I want to be using the blend out. Let's just delete this node here and select this one. I also need to use our mesh here. Let's grab the mesh, place in our skeletal mesh, and then I need a montage to play. And if you search for start level, as you can see, he's not going to find the montage that we need. That's because you have only the animation. I need to create a montage from this. So let's right click it and then go to create and then create an anime montage. It's like this. Let's name it draw def underscore montage. Like this. Now I'm going to place our montage here. And then let's go to our game. And I actually didn't create it the way to go to this event. For now, I'm going to only use a basic input here. I'm going to search for the letter C from the keyboard. I am not going to use an input action for now, but I'm going to fix it soon. So let's use this for now. Let's search for our input. This one. And then I'm going to search for grab step. Just like this. Now I'm going back to our game. Then I'm going to press the letter C and nothing happens. So let's see. I actually forgot to go to our state machine. Let's go character, heroes, Wukong, state machine Wukong. Let's go back to our name graph. And from here, I need to create a default slot. This one, just type default slot and select this one. And so that you can understand, to change from the default animation that is on the state machine to a montage that you are going to play in another place, you need to use a default slot. So just plug this default slot here and then here. Compile and save it. So now if I go back to our game, as you can see here, I'm playing the animation, and I now need to attach the weapon to our body when he's playing this animation. So let's see, let's open that animation. The montage. And yeah, he has two staffs. That's because the previous skeleton had one staff attached to the body, and now I place another one. So let's just delete the staff here It's not going to appear in the game, it's just a preview, but let's delete it. Remove our attached assets, just like so. Now go back to our montage. And let's see. It's not going to update. I'm not sure why. Well, leave it there. Let's just find the place. Now it's kind of bad like this. Let's open it again. Yeah, now it's only one staff. So let's search for the time when he grabs the staff, the exact moment, slowly. And then here, yeah, I think he is on this frame here. I'm going to place a notifier here. So let's right click and add a notifier and then new notify, just like so. The notifier is going to be called our staff like this. Save it and you can close now. So here in our state machine, I'm going back to our event graph. And then from here, I think I need to use a cast here. I'm going to need to use a cast here. Let's just cast to Sun Kong player character, just like this. I'm going to grab our anime notifier that we just created. Draw stuff, just like so. And then we're going to place on the cast. From here, I'm going to grab our mesh. And then I'm going to also grab our staff. Oops, sorry. To grab our staff, only staff, not the grab staff event. Get staff, like so. And then from here, I'm going to attach component to component, like this. Let's place it here. And the socket name is going to be the one that you just selected, that you name it. In my case, is staff. It's going to be this one right here. So just type the exact same name. Let's keep everything snap to target, just like this. And then we're going to place the mesh on the parent. So now I'm going back to our game and let's test it. Now he plays animation and he grabs the staff, just like this. I'm going to place the staff a little bit closer. Let's see, something like this. Yeah, I think it's enough. So now he plays the animation and he grabs the staff. As you can see here, the staff is attached to the body. And next, I'm going to create our first attack and the first combo. And I think this is it for this video. Thanks for watching.